Video of the Flying Dutchman on the 17th of June 2023. It's set to decoder number 5. Okay, the Royal Scotsman, Royal Sovereign I should say. And there it is in all its glory. Okay, with 3 lovely carriages. Okay, so we're going to start it up and here we go. And I'm going to run it on the track. Sorry about the get it going. But the important thing about this is the decoder is powered by the front wheels, and you've got to make sure that the connections on the front wheels, there's power, there's 4 brass connectors, and each of the connectors is supposed to be connected to the wheels. If they do come loose, then the decoder isn't going to get power and the train won't be powered. So it's important to make sure that those little brass connectors are powered. So very important. The engine is powered by the power to the wheel, the main wheels on the train. And you're going to make sure that all the connectors are working properly. And there we go. And so we're just going to stop it. And I'm going to put in reverse. And you put the decoder, put the train in reverse, and then we're just gonna run it slowly first. There it goes, slowly in reverse. It's a lovely train. Whoever ends up buying it is the Flying Dutchman pack. Going to have years of enjoyment from it. Just going to maintain it. Run it every couple of months, every 4 to 6 months. Put it on the train, on the track. Make sure you are very careful with it, and you'll have lots of fun with it. And it's like any train of this sort. It is a collector's item, and you'll have lots of fun with it. There is one defect on the box, and that is that there is 2 vertical lines on either end of the box. It did come from its previous owner with those 2 lines. Sorry about that, and I don't claim to have done it, but it is part of the deal if you buy it. But I have put a decoder in it, and it is running on my DCC track. So it's taken a fair bit of time to get the train in good working condition. Okay, I don't think it has been ran since it was originally purchased in 2012 train, and it has probably been stored in a box ever since, never been run, but I have restored it to working condition, made sure that all the connections are working on it, and there it is. It's in full working condition. If you want to have a train that's going to give you years of enjoyment, this is it.